going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be going to Ocotillo Wells RV Resort in 3 days. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, it's over there. Alright, so we just came out here to go just check out the track, and looks pretty fun. What do you think? You agree? That's called I'm pretty sure that's called the gravity cavity right there. It's like a divot. It's tough. This track looks sick. This berm is freaking humongous. Like, it's thick at an angle. There's a bump over there. It's pretty big. It goes all the way over there. So yeah. Hi! Oh no! He's close.
You'll still be clean campers. Dude, I don't think I've eaten really anything this entire trip.
He's coming!
Enchilada. Enchilada?
Yeah, give me one, please. I forgot we had those.
I know, I just got hot.
Oh, we need ice.
We're gonna go for them rides.
Bring me a enchilada, babe.
I will, baby. Hold on.
Ask Bob if he wants one.
He's gonna eat you.
I eat you?
Finally made it home. Oh, that was fun. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Okay, so I just got home. And this is what I come back to. I already filled this entire bag full of foam. They did all of this. Bro.